What's going on, guys? So you want to learn how to fill nitrous bottles yourself at home? Today we are going to show you that. So first things first, whenever you start filling nitrous bottles at home, I'm already assuming that you guys already have your own mother bottle. This is a mother bottle. It's a K bottle. It is about 55 pounds of nitrous. This bottle is pretty heavy though. It's not 55 pounds, it's like 110 pounds, but there's 55 pounds of nitrous in here. These are your regular bottles. This is a 10 pound and this is a 15 pound. So first things first, you're gonna need your mother bottle. Do some research, man. Call around mom and pop, welding shops, see if they will lease you a bottle. I'm not gonna get all into the logistics of it. If you guys really want to do nitrous yourself, you will dig a little bit and find out how to get a mother bottle. Same thing as I did. There's always ways around it. But we're just gonna say that you guys have a mother bottle already and you guys want to fill bottles by yourself. So the ghetto fabulous way, you are going to need a transfer kit. A transfer kit is going to come with this hose, this fitting for the mother bottle, and a certain type of opening valve. I got this one from Home Depot because the one before this broke, but I have a replacement right here. And this bottle is just going to hook up. This is going to hook up to the bottle like this. So it's hooked up straight to the bottle. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to need one of these heaters. And this is a heater just like a regular bottle heater in your car, guys, but this plugs into your regular outlet. This is going to go on your mother bottle. You're going to want your mother bottle at least 90 to 100 degrees, man. And you're going to want a temperature gun like this one itself. So you can see this thing is only at 80 degrees. That's not enough nitrous temperature. And you're gonna want to have to freeze this bottle. This is the reason why the transfer kit is so cheap, because you have to get a freezer, all this stuff, and you're gonna have to bring that bottle pressure way down. So what I used to do, guys, that works for me, I just use the transfer kit. I would freeze this bottle, deep freeze it for 2 hours. I'll show you guys right now. Freeze this bottle. As you guys can see, I have one chilling in here. I would freeze that bottle for about 2 hours. Then I'll kick on the heater for about 30 minutes, which would have this bottle nice and toasty. This bottle will be frozen. You connect both of the two, open up both of them, make sure that you have gloves on, open up both of them, and then the nitrous will start transferring over. Make sure you guys have a good scale. That way you and your customers have the right amount of nitrous in there. Once you reach your correct amount of nitrous, you're gonna wanna shut off your valve right here, shut it off. Then close up both valves. To make sure you're using gloves, like I said, because once you put a wrench to this and you take it off, nitrous is gonna start coming out and it can burn you. It could give you frostbite, so just be careful. And the reason I'm not showing you guys is because I just got a freaking nitrous pump. Finally, man, I got a nitrous pump, because you can do this by yourself, man. I did this for months, and it was just for me and my boys, and then now I have some guys coming to me purchasing some nitrous off of me, so I kind of just needed to get serious about it. So I got a nitrous pump here. I'm gonna show you guys how this works. It takes out all the warming, cooling, and all that stuff, so we don't need to do that anymore. All you need is an air supply and your nitrous lines, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna hook those up and show you guys the easy way how to do it. The other way is kind of difficult. It takes a couple hours. This one, saves your time. So yeah, you're gonna waste some money on it, but it's not really wasting it because it's gonna come clutch. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Alright guys, now we have the nitrous pump hooked up. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna show you guys. Forget the nitrous pump is here. What you guys are gonna have if you just have a transfer kit, this is gonna come here, this one's gonna come here. So the no pump in the way, right? I just pulled this bottle out of the freezer. You guys can see it's 68 degrees, pretty good. This one's 80 degrees. Like I said, I'd rather have this bottle to around 20 or 30 degrees and this bottle to 90 or 100. So just for demonstration purposes, we're gonna show you guys how much this thing weighs. So this bottle weighs 24 pounds, 11 ounces. Now we're gonna crack this open. You guys can see it opened up. Now this bottle is at 80 degrees, this bottle is at 60. So in theory, some nitrous should transfer over. You're gonna have your valve open this, and some nitrous should transfer over. So you guys can see no nitrous transferred over because there wasn't a big enough temperature drop between this one and this one. And then, so when that happens, guys, once your bottle gets heated enough, it won't flow in anymore. You're gonna have to disconnect it, relieve all the pressure in the lines, put this back in the freezer for another hour or two. Once that gets cold again, redo the process. And you guys can see how annoying that gets, right? So we're at 2412 right now. Now we have the nitrous pump. We don't have to put it back in the freezer. All we do is we hook up our air supply. We hook up our air supply, and on the back of this pump right here, there's a button. You push and hold it, and watch the pressure go up. And as you can see, the temperature is increasing, and so is the bottle weight. You guys can see just with that little bit of pumping, the bottle is up to 75 degrees and my little shitty compressor can't keep up. But basically we'll do that, we'll keep on pumping the nitrous into there, and we can get every ounce of nitrous out of this mother bottle. When you guys are doing just the transfer kit, you guys are gonna lose about 10 pounds of nitrous. And I've done 5 refills on this mother bottle, and every single time I lost like 10 pounds of nitrous. So now that I'm using this pump, it's literally vacuuming the nitrous out of the siphon tube, pumping it into this bottle. So I'm gonna be able to get every ounce of nitrous into my bottles now. So just wanna let you guys know the information's out there. I will leave. I think for the pump and the lines, if you guys wanna do the pump, it's $1,200. It's a good investment, you guys. You know, it could be a little side business for y'all. Or if you guys just wanna do it for you and your homies, you know, you guys can get a little transfer kit like I showed you, just the lines. You guys are going to need a bottle heater for your mother bottle. If you guys want this one, hit me up. You know, I'll sell it to you guys. Works awesome. Instagram 4.6 or 4.6chris, or email at 4.6chris@yahoo.com. I don't need that one anymore. So yeah, guys, and you guys are gonna want to freeze this bottle 2 hours, like I said. Make sure that the valve is closed. I've had one of these open before just because of the temperature drop. Make sure this is closed. I get these little caps at Home Depot. Put it on there, tighten it down, put it in the freezer. You shouldn't have no problems with it opening. So freeze that for about 2 hours, let the temperature get pretty good. Heat this one up for about 30 minutes. Just monitor it. Make sure you have one of these that are really good so you could, you know, see the temperature of that. Open them both up, let the nitrous flow through, watch the gauge, make sure it doesn't go over. Do not overfill your bottles, guys. This is the weight right here. 33.5, and empty is 18.5. Do not go over that. These cylinders are only made to get a certain amount of pressure and a certain amount of, you know, nitrous inside of them. So, you know, please be safe out there, guys. Drop me a comment down below if you guys need any information. I hope this video helped you guys. We'll see you on the next one. It's your boy 4.6chris. Later, man. Peace. Before we end the video, guys, I have a couple special thank yous. Dion Lee, thank you very much. Orion 2Valve, thank you guys so much for all the support, man. It's freaking amazing. If you guys don't know what this is a subscription to my new Patreon, and for as low as $3, guys, you guys can be included too. It includes live chat, live stream, early access to any merch I drop, early access to the videos. A lot of you guys complain that you guys hate waiting all the way till Sunday for the new videos to drop. Well, this is your time to shine, guys. If you guys subscribe to the Patreon, you guys can look at the different tiers and stuff like that, become a member, and, you know, all around just show the support for the channel, help the channel grow more, help us do bigger things and bigger builds that you guys want to see, and that's what it's all about, man. Thank you guys so much for all the continued support, Orion 2Valve and Dion Lee. I really appreciate it, guys. They are the first two of the Patreon squad, man. So thank you guys so much. If you guys want to join or just check out the tiers, I appreciate it. It's in the description down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys on the next one. It's your boy 4.6chris. See you later, man. Peace.
baptized.